Hey guys, we're out here in Discovery Park. Gonna do a little walk today. It's Saturday, we're in April. It's looking lovely. We're in the woods, feeling good, and we're gonna make it happen. We'll show you some more footage later. Alright guys, we're walking on the way back, jamming out on the headphones. Discovery Park, put a little video together. But y'all be good, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.